чест да ви ги предадам писмата за отповикување на мојот претходник.
On the very solid basis of the historical friendship between our countries. Here illustrates this close friendship and also the wish of our two countries to continue developing our close